Okay, so you might have heard about the similarities between Turkic languages and Japanese because they're both agglutinative languages. And my Tatar girlfriend is learning Japanese right now. Here's a list of words that she's been collecting showing that Tatar and Japanese are so similar sometimes.
NANI?
So the first word is kiyu in Tatar and in Japanese.
切る
And the next word is koito in Tatar and in Japanese.
帰る
And it sounds even more similar to the Tatar word koito in a sentence, which I will read to you a bit later. Even the word home is similar. So in Tatar we say ui, and in Japanese it's...
家
How crazy is that? It's almost the same. Also, if I want to say in Tatar at home, I say uide, and in Japanese it's iide. The next word is kora in Tatar, and guess what it sounds like in Japanese?
ほら
Ota or ati.
お父さん
So the part where they say oto and ota are basically the same in both of the languages. Another example with the locative ending is, for example, in America, we say America da.
アメリカで
So there are not only lexical but also morphological similarities. And that's not all. The similarity in the word order of Tatar and Japanese makes learning it easier for a Tatar speaker. So, as I promised, here's the sentence. Үйгө кайтып, песи билен ойнарга яратам.
家に帰って猫と遊ぶのが好きです
So it follows the same word order as in Tatar. Another example of a sentence where the word order is exactly the same. Kun sayin sagat 8'de ishke baram.
毎日8時に仕事に行きます
And in the next sentence, the word kure and kara are similar also.
病気だから仕事に行かなかった
And in Tatar, auru bulanga kure ishke barmadım. So what do you think? Are Tatar and Japanese related, or are these similarities a complete coincidence?